Park Ranger Zoey.
Of course. Thought it'd be fun to have a little ranger picnic. T-Rex ranch dressing and all.
It was Park Ranger perfection.
Uh-oh. Well, our dino check from earlier was not Park Ranger perfection. We forgot about the Dimetrodons.
Ooh, they're tough to check. They sneak up and pop out of nowhere.
We'll all go do that together then.
Hey, this blaster is jammed. And this one.
That's strange. I wonder what happened to them.
I jinxed their perfection.
How about you stay here and you work on those, Naomi, and we'll go start the count.
Yeehaw! I love counting cattle.
Dimetrodons are not like cows.
Yeah, but they're not much bigger than our cows at the farm.
But they're much smarter. We have to stick together. They will sneak up on you and pop out! Let's take the carnivore treats, just in case.
Oh dear.
Okay, well that's 3 Dimetrodons, but we need to find 3 more. Let's stay close together and far away from them.
Oh, look, here's another one.
Great! Oh, but it's by the herbivore area. That's okay. The laser fence is up, so if he tries to cross over, he'll get a teeny tiny zap to spook him.
Or I can move it, just like moving cattle. Watch this.
No, Maddie, wait! Okay, well that's 4 Dimetrodons, so now we need to find 2 more. Ugh, I better go help her. Oh! Found the other 2. Hello.
This way, buddy. Shh. Saw his walks on cows. Ha! See? Easy peasy. He's moving. How do you turn around so fast? You are sneaky. Why aren't you moving? How about this? This always walks on our cows. No? Do you want some carnivore treats? Here you go. No? More of a pumpkin spice guy, huh? Ah!
Oh, how do I unjam this thing? It isn't working. It works! Hey, how did it come back? Oh no, is this thing in boomerang mode? It is in boomerang mode. Oh, it is already going numb. Good thing it wasn't a super sleepy dart. I better fix this, and fast.
Nice carnivores. Oh, hey, you hungry? I have a yummy treat for ya. Here, go on, have a dino picnic. Well, that didn't work. Okay, so you're not hungry. Okay. Nice Dimetrodons. No, you don't want me to leave. Having too much fun?
Still broken. Maybe Park Ranger Aaron will know what to do.
Hey, it's Park Ranger Aaron here.
Hey, Park Ranger Aaron. We're having trouble with their sleepy dart blasters. They're jammed, and they're in boomerang mode, and nothing I'm doing is working.
Well, that's not good. I'll send you over something you can use that can help.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Park Ranger Aaron. A screwdriver? That's it?
Phew. It's gone.
Park Ranger Maddie, where'd you go? I need your help. I'm surrounded by 2 Dimetrodons who are not very happy. The treats did nothing. Do you copy?
Yes, I copy. I'm on my way. Hey, Stacks. You good at hide and seek? What about this game? Wanna charge? Like a bull still? I know that game. Ah! That's not good sportsmanship. Ah!
Hey! Hey! No need to come closer. I can catch you from here. Ah! Picnic over! Ah!
Yes. I think that worked. Woohoo! Yes! 1 down, 1 more to go.
Dimetrodon's coming!
Where? Ah! Oh, you didn't bring the dinos up, or did you?
Nope.
Oh, they're not here. Guess they're gone.
Or are they? Come on now, you're yellow belly babies, and face us like real dinos.
No, Maddie, we don't want them to face us. We don't have any of our gadgets, remember?
Oh.
Come on. This way. Okay, this is getting creepy.
Real creepy.
Okay, let's get out of here before they show up for real. Ah!
Y'all should be magicians.
Oh no, we're backed into a corner with no way to escape. Do you have any ideas how to not become dino food?
Y'all want to disappear again?
Ah!
Didn't think so. Hey, leave my friends alone.
Ah!
Go to your room and make your bedtime earlier. Just kidding.
That was amazing, Naomi.
Yeah, thanks for helping us.
Of course. Finally got these things to work.
All right, let's get out of here before they come back.
I wonder if sleepy dog blasters walk on cows.
We can try that later. Let's go. Whew, that was an intense dino check.
I'm sorry, Park Ranger Zoey. You were right. Dinosaurs are nothing like cows. I should have listened to you.
That's okay. We're all learning. And now you know, dinosaurs are nothing like other animals.
Yeah, I guess I'm not used to being bad with any animals.
Hey, you're not bad. You're just new. Did you always know how to take care of your cattle? I bet you had to figure out how to take care of them too.
That's right, I did. And now I'm great at it.
See, it just took a little bit of time before you got the hang of things.
Yeah, I made a lot of mistakes when I started.
We all did, and still do. It's part of being a park ranger. Lots of goof ups. But you know how we get through it? Teamwork. And working in gadgets. Time to log what we've learned. You do the honors.
Okay. Mission log 624. Don't use other animal tricks on dinosaurs. They have very different behavior.
Ooh, especially Dimetrodons.
Yeah, they're so sneaky. They keep popping up everywhere, like this.
Like how?
Like this.
Wow, you are very good at those animal impressions. Oh, hey, we still have to give some of the other dinosaurs their lunch.
I caught the herbivores.
Of course you do.